A plastic chair mold is a large, precision-engineered injection molding tool designed to manufacture monoblock plastic chairs in high volumes with consistent quality and structural strength. Typically made from hardened tool steels such as P20, H13, or DIN 1.2738. The mold consists of cavity and core halves that accurately form the chair's geometry, including ribs, legs, and ergonomic contours. Because plastic chairs are large parts with relatively thick sections, the mold design focuses heavily on balanced filling, efficient cooling channel layout, and robust ejection systems to minimize warpage and reduce cycle time. Advanced features such as optimized gate locations, venting, and reinforced support structures are critical to ensure uniform material flow and dimensional stability, especially when processing polypropylene, PP, the most commonly used material for chairs. High-quality chair molds are built for long production life, often capable of producing hundreds of thousands to millions of parts, making them a cornerstone of mass production furniture manufacturing.